Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering devices and creating a stable signal path. Insert fresh batteries and turn on the receiver and sound box. Once done, plug the receiver into the mixer using XLR or balanced 1/4 to reduce noise. Make sure the receiver and mic share the same channel or frequency. You should mute the mixer outputs while pairing so no loud pops occur. Check antenna orientation and LED pairing indicators. This initial alignment prevents dropouts and makes the next steps faster. You now pair and route the audio. Engage the mic's pairing or pilot tone and put the receiver in search mode until the link LED is steady. Next, route the receiver output to a dedicated mixer channel and choose mic or line input depending on the receiver output type. Use the pad if the signal is hot. Then set input gain so peaks sit around -6 to -12 decibels. This headroom prevents distortion. Make sure phantom power is off for the cordless receiver, unless specified. You finish by doing a real sound check. Have the person speak or sing at the intended performance level while you monitor through headphones and the mains. Adjust EQ and light compression to control dynamics. Once satisfied, lock levels and secure the transmitter to the talent. Finally, troubleshoot quickly if something fails. Start by confirming the receiver isn't muted, the mic and receiver channel or frequency match, cables are seated, batteries are charged, and antennas are properly positioned. That single check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.